I hope you like the song. If so, please hit the subscribe button, like button, and for more such videos, comment down in the comment section. Now let's start. First, it is G, C, D, C, D sharp, F, D sharp, D, C, A sharp, A sharp, G, G sharp, C. So let's try this. Now we do it one more time. Next it is G, F, G sharp, G. So how to play this entire line? Next up it is D, C, B, A, C, D, C, B, A, C. Now we have to play this twice. Next up it is C, 2 times D, 2 times E, 2 times D, 2 times F, then again F, E, D, C, E and D. We have to play this twice. Next up we have D, C, B, A, C, D, B, A, C. Then E, F, E, D, C, B, A, C, D, B, A, C. So how to play this? It is C, 2 times D, 2 times E, 2 times D, 2 times F, F, E, D, C, E, D. We have to play this section twice. Then C, 2 times D, 2 times E, 2 times F, then F, E, D, C, E, then 3 times G, 3 times F, E, D, C, E, D, E. So how to play this whole section? Next it is D, C, B, A, C, D, C, B, A, C, E, F, E, D, C, B, A, C, D, C, B, A, C. So how to play this? Next up, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, F, 2 times E, then D, C, D, C, D, E, D, E, 2 times D, 2 times C. To play this section, next up it is G, C, D, C, D sharp, then D, F, F, then 2 times D sharp, F, then F, G, F, G sharp, G, then E, A, D, F, E. This is to be done twice. E, E, D, F, E. So, how to play this part? Next up, it is C, A sharp, C, A sharp, G sharp, G. So, how to play this? Then we have G, G, G sharp, G, G sharp, then G sharp, G, F, D sharp, D, D sharp, F, then D sharp, F, A sharp, G sharp, G. So how to play this section? I hope you like the song. Please hit the subscribe button, like button, and thanks for watching.